Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, let's make a rainbow Ferris wheel. Are you ready? Let's do it. First, let's take out our rainbow candy. We're going to place the candy all around the edge of our plate. Good job! Now, gently pour warm water into the middle of the plate. Keep pouring as much as you can till the water covers the rainbow candy. If you look very closely, you'll notice that the candy is already beginning to dissolve. That means that the colors are coming together, forming a beautiful rainbow. See you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.